morning everyone. Today we're going to talk about the differences for the SpO2 cables on our two Zoll monitors. Both of our monitors are X-series Zolls, however there are some differences between the medic and the engine that we're going to review today. We're going to start by reviewing how you tell the difference between the engine and the medic monitors. The easiest way is there should be a label on the top labeled engine or medic. It's possible that these monitors can get moved around with rig swaps and so forth, so there are some other ways to figure that out. The medic Zoll monitor will have a blood pressure cuff either attached to it, and if it doesn't have it attached, has in a port where you can plug it in. Is this metal screw port that the engine does not have. So that's how you tell if it's a medic monitor. You can also go into settings on the medic monitor and go down to device info. When you select that, it will read that it is a medic monitor because it is matched to a medic serial number 7101. The other differences between these monitors is that the engine monitor is not able to monitor CO monitoring versus the medic SpO2 is able to. When you look at the cables for the two monitors, you can see that they are different. When looking at the two, you can see that the engine is a 9-pin cable and the medic is a 15 gold pin cable, and that should tell you that the medic is capable of more things, so it needs more pins to send more data to the monitor. Now when you take a cable from an engine into the medic, it will fit, but it will not read CO. You will still get your SpO2 and your perfusion index, but you will not get your CO2. Likewise, you can take your medic cable from your medic monitor and move it to your engine, and you'd think it would be okay because it has the 15-pin cable, but it's an internal mechanism in the engine monitor that cannot read CO. It still will read your SpO2 and your perfusion index, but you will not get CO monitoring with that. So your reading for your medic SpO2 monitor will first read your SpO2, and you'll have your perfusion index and your SpCO, and they will toggle back and forth. The SpCO can take up to 40 seconds to read, which is why it's taking a minute. There it goes. And it will toggle back and forth. Conversely, when you take the engine SpO2, so this is the engine SpO2 monitoring. This is the SpO2 cable meant for the engine, and it has the same perfusion index, but it does not toggle back and forth between CO monitoring. As a review, the perfusion index is considered reliable if it is not less than 0.5. So greater than 0.5 is reliable. So for the two monitors, when you have an SpO2 cable that is out of service and you need a new one, it is important that you get the proper cable for that monitor. The medic monitor is called a rainbow cable. As on the box is what it says, rainbow. And that is an SpO2 cable with the enhanced capabilities for the CO monitoring. So ordering the wrong SpO2 cable and placing that on your medic, you will lose the capability of your SpCO monitoring. SpO2 cables, there are two sections. There is the original section that goes into the monitor, and then there is the receiving portion with the sensor on it. Both of these are two separate pieces, and they come in two separate boxes. They are interchangeable, however they need to match together because again it's a 9-pin versus a 15-pin sensor. So you have to make sure you have the two that match up. And likewise, you also have the disposable SpO2 monitors that have to be matched up as well, which is why we have different ones for the engine and the medic. This concludes our review of the Zoll Series X monitors that we carry with us, and then hopefully you learned something today about the differences between your engine and your medic monitors and how to replace your SpO2 cables in the future. Thank you.